Hello, I'm Anya. In my company, there was a problem with data collection and analysis. I was looking for an intuitive solution that would be able to produce results. A teammate, Yarek, found a solution that allowed us to optimize work, collect data remotely, create reports, accept documents. To implement the system effectively, in line with the team's expectations, Yarek asked me some questions. What information and form fields should be displayed? Do you want to add documents as attachments? Will your team use the system's mobile version? What processes do you want to automate? I have to admit that the form setup was quick. You can do it without the help of developers. I use Intense Platform every day in the office and at home. This solution is intuitive, responsive, easy to configure, user-friendly, a budget optimizer. The Intense system ensures a high level of protection for user data. The handling of the data circulation system is very easy, as is the configuration. Also, you can rely on the knowledge of specialists and use their support if needed. You want to know more? Visit our website.